In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group by month in Salesforce reports. Let's jump right in. Start by opening Salesforce and navigating to your home screen. From here, use the global search bar at the top to find the report you want to work with. Type the report's name or a relevant keyword, then select the report from the results to open it. Once the report loads, switch into edit mode so we can make changes in the report builder. Before we group anything, make sure the report includes a date field that makes sense for your analysis. Common choices are close date, created date, or activity date, depending on what your report is about. If you don't see a date column in the preview, add one from the Fields panel so the report knows which timeline to use. This is important because Salesforce can only group by month when it has a valid date field to work with. Next, add that date field as a grouping. In the report builder, drag the date field into the group rows area or use the fields menu to apply a group. You'll see your data reorganize into buckets based on that date. At this point, Salesforce might default to grouping by a specific day, quarter, or something else, so let's fine tune it. Click into the grouping settings for that date field and change the grouping interval to month. Depending on your preference, you can choose calendar month with the year, which is helpful when your report spans multiple years, so January 2025 and January 2026 appear as separate buckets. Make sure the date range filter at the top of the report matches the period you care about. For example, set it to the current fiscal year or the last 12 months to keep the results focused and readable. When you're happy with the setup, click Run to see the live results. The report will refresh and display your records organized by month. You should now see monthly buckets, along with row counts and any summarized values you've added, such as amounts or totals. If your report includes summaries, Salesforce will also calculate subtotals for each month automatically, which makes it easy to spot trends, seasonality, or performance shifts over time. That's all there is to it. You opened your report, confirmed a meaningful date field, grouped by that date, switched the interval to month, and ran the report to view clean month-by-month insights. Save your changes so you can reuse this setup, and you'll have a reliable monthly view every time you open the report.